To form a rectangle by shifting Z and W. The 4 pieces of color can be rearranged to form a rectangle by shifting Z and W. Shifting Z and W. What do you mean shift Z and W? Okay, this I don't know where is the Z and W. The 4 pieces of cutouts can be rearranged to form a rectangle by shifting Z and W. Okay, I can't see. Can you see? I can't see what do you mean by shifting Z and W. Shift Z, shift away. Z, shift Z, shift W. I'm sorry, I can't see. Skip. Next. Yeah, it's interesting to do that on this board. So let's see, yeah. So I'm starting from the last question, and then we'll just go backwards, okay? Because traditionally the last 5 questions should be pretty difficult, yeah. So let's take a look at the last 5 questions. Okay, so we have a pattern question here. Now, pattern questions is really subjective, yeah. So let's take a look. Usually, what I do is I don't blame myself, even if I don't know how to do. So let's see, what is this? So pattern number 1, 2, 3, 25, number of triangles. How many triangles are needed to form pattern number 25? What we do is we look at the pattern here. So what is the pattern? So here it keeps increasing by 2. It's 2. So the number of triangles needed, you need to know from 1. You see, from 1 to 2 is 1 jump, right? So you add 2 from 4. So that's 1 time. So how about 1 to 3? That's 2 jumps, right? So 1 to 25 will be 24 jumps. So you have 24 times 2. So that will be 48. But your 48, you gotta add 4. So that will be 52. Okay, so the number of triangles will be equal to 52 for pattern number 25. Okay, next. The number of straight lines. Which pattern is made of 217 straight line? So for straight lines, each jump is equivalent to 3. So once again, it starts with 4. So what I'd like to do is to recreate this first. Okay, so I want to minus 4 first. I want to minus away the first one, yeah? So take the first one, so 217 minus 4 equals to 213. So 213 is the total number of jumps. Sorry, it's the total number of addition. So that doesn't tell me how many jumps there are. I want to find out how many jumps there are. I take 213 divided by 3. Because each jump is equals to 3. 213 divided by 3, 71. Alright, so there are 71 jumps. Okay, since there are 71 jumps, the number of straight lines, which pattern should be 72, right? So 72 is the answer for the second one. And what's the total number of triangles and squares needed to form pattern 48? So what you can do is you can see it as a pattern, yeah? So for each of them, you see number of triangles, number of straight, number of triangles and squares. Well, now they're asking about squares. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we don't have the number of squares. Pattern 48. Let's examine the squares, yeah? So pattern 48. I want pattern 48. Now pattern 1 has 1, then 2, then 3. So the number of squares corresponds with the pattern number. Okay, so I know that pattern 48 has got 48 squares, right? So there are 48 squares. And how many triangles? Okay, so I want to find the number of triangles. starts with 4 and it increased by 2. So pattern 48 is an increase of 47. So 47 times 2, find the number of jumps first. That will be equal to 7 times 2, 94. So this equals to 94. And I take 94 plus 48 plus 48, 142. Right, so 94 plus 48, 142. Okay, that will be the final answer. Not too bad, yeah, for this. Just check whether it's correct. 146, 72, 52. Okay, 142, 146. Something wrong. Oh, I didn't add 4. Yeah, you need to add 4. So 142, forgot to add another 4. Because originally it starts with 4. So plus 4 equal 146. Okay, so that is the final answer. That's a little bit careless mistake. Yeah, if not, it'll be correct. That will be 5 marks. Okay, so it's fine. You know, I mean, you're doing your revision now. Just go through and see what's the pattern. Yeah. Okay, next one. Second one. So the diagram shows 3 banners hung from a beam to the floor. The total length of the 3 banners is 8.7. Total length, 3 of them 8.7. Banner B is 4.2. Yes. A and C each extend with a rope. After which each extended reaches the longer rope is twice the length of the shorter rope. So this is double. Alright. What's the length of C? 8.7. Wait a minute. Don't I have the length? Banner B 4.2. The total length of the 3 banners is okay. So wait, how many marks is this? 5 marks. Okay, so let's take a look. We have let's annotate. So 4.2. First, I want to find out what is the length. 4.2 times 3. 12.6. So the length each 4.2 is the whole thing. So if I add 3 of them together, it's 12.6 plus 12.6. That's the 3 length. Okay, 3 length 12.6 meters. Now I know that this plus this I can find out. Yeah. So let's call this A and C. Right. So what's the length of A and C? It's 12.6 minus 4.2, which gives me 8.4. 8.4 meter. So the length of A plus C, right, is 8.4 meter. Now, the rope here and the rope here, this is 1 unit, this is 2 units, right? So if I take 4.2, 12.6, 12.6. Wait, minus 4. There's an error. Wait a minute. Let's do that again. Okay, the length of the whole thing is 12.6. Yeah. So I can find A and C because I didn't see this. Yeah, the total length of the 3 banners. So if I take 12.6 minus 8.7, I basically don't need to find A and C. So 12.6 minus 8.7, I get 3.9. So 3.9 meters is equivalent to 3 units, which is here and here. So 1 unit represents 1.3 meters. What's the length of balance C? Well, so 2 units is 2.6 meters. So I know the whole thing is 4.2 meter. So balance C must be 4.2 take away 2.6 equals to 0.2 minus 2.6, 1.6. That wasn't too bad. So what's the additional mass charge for the for first 5 kilo 40? Okay. 146 for the postage of the 3 parcels. He paid $16 more to Australia. Okay, so now because each one of them there's a minimum charge, right? So the minimum charge for this to Europe is $50. Minimum charge to Korea is $30. Minimum charge to Australia is $40. So I can take 146 take away 120. So I get $26. Okay, so that's the $26. Now because he paid 16 more for the postage to Australia than Korea. He paid 16 more for the postage to Australia than Korea. So this is additional 16. And then this is like a certain number. Additional 16. So we have to take the 26 minus 16, which is equals to 10. And then we take the 10 divided by 2, so equals to 5. Right, so this is actually plus 5. Now I get it. And this is plus 21. Alright, why? Because there's an additional $5 here, and then this is a 16 plus 5 that gives us 21. So, and this is to Australia, right? So additional 1 kilogram costs $7. $21 would mean that there's an additional 3 kilogram. Okay, that's how it's done. Next one. So there's 12 cm here, 12 cm here, cut along dotted line. The 4 pieces of color can be rearranged to form a rectangle by shifting Z and W. The 4 pieces of color can be rearranged to form a rectangle by shifting Z and W. Shifting Z and W. What do you mean shift Z and W? Okay, this I don't know where is the Z and W. The 4 pieces of cutouts can be rearranged to form a rectangle by shifting Z and W. Okay, I can't see. Can you see? I can't see what do you mean by shifting Z and W? Shift Z, shift away. Z, shift Z, shift W. I'm sorry, I can't see. Skip. Next. Okay, this is supposed to be the 5th question. Yeah, I can't see the how you shift Z and W. Okay, Polly has some money. She spent 1/4 of it on a book and received another $33 from her mother with what she had left. She spent 60% of it on a bag and had 34 left. Let's see how to do this. So, how much money did Polly have at first? 1/4. So let's draw 1/4. Book. Okay. Receive another 33. With what she had left, she spent 60% of it on a bag and had $34 left. Okay, that's an easier way. Let's start with before. Right, so she had 4 units, then minus 1 unit on a book. So left with 3 units. plus $33. With what she had left, she spent 60% of it and had $24 left. So $24 is equivalent to 40%, right? Let's just 40% of what she had left. So I want to find 100% of what she had left. It's just 24 divided by 40 times 100, $60. So this whole thing is $60. So I take 60 minus $33 equals to $27, which is equal to this one. Right? So $27 is 3 units. How much did she have at first? Well, we divide by 3 times 4. So 27 divided by 3 times 4 equals to 36. Ooh. That should be correct. Okay. Okay, how many marks? Easy peasy. 4 marks. Okay, angle, yeah? So I don't know how to solve that. The previous one, okay? It's just, I can't see how you shift the thing. So next 12. So I'm going to do additional one more question. CAE, 64 degrees. Find CAE. ABCD is a rhombus. ABCD. Now, if you know this is a rhombus, immediately we can tell that this is 64 degrees. ABCD is a rhombus, so 64 degrees. BC is an equilateral triangle. BCE. BC equilateral, so here is 60 degrees. If this is 64, I can find this as well. 180 minus 64, 116 degrees. 60 degree, here also 60 degree, here also 60 degree. Okay? CAE, where? CAE, oh. I'm gonna find this thing. 60 degrees, 64. Okay, this looks tough. 1664 62. No, it's a straight line. 116. Rhombus 116 divided by 2. This is the same length. Rhombus. Okay, rhombus means this is the same as this, same as this, same as this, and it's the same as this, same as this. Okay, because they're all the same length. Now, since they're all the same length, I have an isosceles triangle, which is this ABE. Yeah. So the next step is to take 180 minus 124. 56 degrees. 56 divided by 2, 28 degrees. So this side is 28 degrees. Right, so 28 degrees, if I know that's 28 degrees, I'll find CAE. Yeah, I take 116 divided by 2, 58 degrees. So 58 minus 28 equals 30 degrees. So CAE is 30 degrees. Yeah, that's correct. We're done. Okay, so 5 questions. This is speed, I think, distance, volume, don't do. All right, so out of these 5 questions, there's only one that I have no idea. If you have any idea, you can let us know. Right, this I don't know how the shift works. Okay, so well, sometimes it's like that. Yeah, there are some questions you can do, some questions you cannot do, so it's fine, right? I have no idea how this thing shifts, right? So if you know how, maybe you can share with us. It's 4 marks gone. Where is the rectangle? Seriously. Okay, and that's all for today. Paper from SCGS.